everybody, this is Crafty Mom, and this week we will be doing a video on how to decorate a can cozy. This is what you'll need for this project. Okay, for this project I went ahead and cut the vinyl flip-flops out ahead of time using my Cricut machine. As you can tell from this piece of vinyl, doesn't take a whole lot of vinyl to make your flip-flops. This is where they were cut out from. Okay, so I'm going to take, this is just, I think this is an Ozark Trail cozy, I think it is. And we're going to take the top part off and just set it aside. And here are my flip-flops. Like I said, pre-cut them. So we have a set of blue and a set of pink, or I think it's pink. Top piece of those feet are trying to come off. Okay, so you're just going to peel the backing off. Like so. Something right there. Okay. And put your first one on. And you're just going to rub it down in place. Make sure there's no little air bubbles or. So there's one. It's the right foot. And the left foot. So now there's your blue set of flip-flops that are on. I think I said blue instead of pink. Anything's possible. Okay, put the blue ones on the other side. Or sometimes this vinyl likes to be persnickledy about coming off. There we go. Make sure we get the flip-flop on the going the right direction. And I try to do them on the opposite, about the opposite from where I have the other pair. Just kind of, that way they're evenly spaced. Again, make sure you rub it down really good, get rid of all your air bubbles. If you've touched your cozy quite a bit, you may want to rub it down with rubbing alcohol to get your the just sweat, oil, whatever from your hands off of your project to make your vinyl stick better. Okay, there we go. Now we're putting on the blue one for the left foot. And again, rubbing it, getting rid of all your air bubbles. So now we have blue on one side, pink on the other. And then to end it, to seal it all in, which I'm not going to do on the camera, you would use a clear gloss resin and use a foam brush and just lightly rub it on, and this will seal your decals to your can cozy, making it be waterproof and great for an outdoor day in the sun or at the beach, at the lake, whatever, to keep your drink nice and cold. Thanks for watching and have a good day.